Imagine a shovel priced at $230, and it's the remarkable engineering marvel known as Zun Lotus Smilodon. This versatile multi-tool goes beyond being a shovel, as it can function as a hoe, saw, glass breaker, hammer, hook, axe, knife, and even a camera tripod. That's just a glimpse of its capabilities, as its potential is only limited by the owner's imagination. Remarkably, despite its diverse functions, the manufacturers have kept the shovel lightweight, with a version weighing only 1.4 kilograms. It's a tool that combines various functionalities, making it a valuable and efficient companion for a range of tasks. Last year, the German airgun manufacturer UMX unveiled a unique product, which is the Airsaber Elite X2, a double-barrel pneumatic crossbow. Regarded by many reviews as the world's first double-barrel air arrow gun, it offers intriguing capabilities. With a high tank capacity, it provides around 25 shots, enabling accurate aiming at distances up to 70 meters. Additionally, it boasts 4 Picatinny rails for attaching supports, flashlights, and other accessories. The Airsaber Elite X2 is available for purchase at $460, showcasing a blend of innovation and precision in the realm of airguns. FITH Ops Alarm components, priced at $50, raise the question of reliability compared to less expensive alternatives. Notably, this company collaborates with law enforcement and the military, and its founder is an explosives expert. With FITH Ops components, you can build a robust alarm system, combining flashbangs, 12-gauge blanks, and a 130 decibel siren. If that's not enough, the company also provides pepper spray. Furthermore, FITH Ops components are versatile, suitable for both indoor and outdoor alarm setups. While there are cheaper options, the expertise and collaboration with security professionals make FITH Ops a dependable choice for those seeking a reliable and effective alarm system. Have a look at this camping stove, which is an ideal companion, weighing only 6 kilograms and operating on butane. When folded, it's as compact as a thermos. How about that? The stove comes with smart supports that fit cookware from 10 to 26 centimeters in diameter. To prevent overpressure, it includes a magnetic valve, and its legs have non-slip inserts to keep it steady during cooking. You can purchase the stove, along with its storage bag, for $130. It's a convenient and portable solution for outdoor cooking, ensuring stability and compatibility with a range of cookware sizes. Let's catch some fish, crabs, and even shrimp with this fish trap, which is promoted magical tool, requiring only 3 steps. Set the trap, place bait inside, and submerge it in water. Afterward, the trap needs no further attention, allowing you to concentrate on other tasks. Its operation is straightforward. Fish are attracted by the bait and can't escape. Depending on the model, the trap comes with either 6 or 12 holes, making it suitable for catching fish, crabs, and even shrimp. The 6-hole trap weighs 150 grams and is available for purchase at $8. It's a simple and effective solution for catching aquatic creatures without demanding constant attention. Camping essentials often share a common problem. They can't get wet. To address this, several companies offer containers for storing items like medicines, bandages, batteries, and more. Here we have a product from Thrun, a well-known supplier of accessories for emergency and military services. They call their container the Cell Vault, notable for its compatibility with the M attachment system. The container can store 2 AA or 4 AAA batteries and is designed to resist dust and water. You can purchase the cell vault for $20, making it a practical solution for keeping essential items dry and secure during camping or other outdoor activities. Now, let's discuss the largest storm matches in Canadian preparedness history. This company, led by survival experts, believes the market is inundated with low-quality products. Canadian Preparedness focuses solely on essentials, exemplified by their Behemoth storm matches. These matches, measuring 14 centimeters, can burn for 15 minutes. If they happen to get wet, no worries, you can simply wipe them dry. For added protection, these matches come in robust metal boxes. A pack of 9 matches is priced at $20, emphasizing the company's commitment to providing high-quality and reliable survival tools in the face of challenging conditions. A 1R seems to be a thing. Originally intended for experienced outdoor enthusiasts, the A1R device has become so successful that it's now recommended for beginners too. This compact gadget, known as A1R, is a multifunctional powerhouse. It serves as a flashlight, emergency signal, SAB device, GPS chip, freshwater and saltwater purifier, tracker, and power bank, all in one. The A1R generates power through a clever compressed air system, featuring a pump. Just 60 seconds of pumping can provide 5 days of water purification or half a smartphone charge. According to the manufacturers, this gadget effectively bridges the gap between city living and nature. Here, we've got a boon for survivalists. According to its creators, an American company, this simple tool empowers you to craft anything your imagination can conceive. Specifically, it allows you to swiftly make pegs with a 2.5 centimeters diameter and drill holes of the same size. Moreover, you can assemble chairs, ladders, or whatever else you envision. To provide inspiration, there's an attached survival guide with 90 pages in PDF format, sent via email after purchase. As a pleasant bonus, you also get a leather case. The complete package, including the tool, case, and manual, is priced at $38. It's a practical and versatile tool for those with a knack for survival skills and creative crafting. The Omniblade Machete, marketed with the slogan, "Everything you need and nothing you don't," has found success, raising over $116,000 on Kickstarter. Priced at $60, users seem pleased with its capabilities. This versatile machete functions as an axe, hammer, knife, and saw. Made from 420 J2 steel, it's easily sharpened in the field using stones. The achievement on Kickstarter is noteworthy, considering the machete's affordability. With its multiple functions and durability, the Omniblade Machete appears to offer good value for its price. What about you? Do you think it's worth the investment? Going to Hong Kong, there's a fascinating GPS tracker called GoFindMe. Created by a local company, this device not only provides precise location within approximately 5 meters, but also enables sending text and voice messages. What's remarkable is that it operates without SIM cards, subscriptions, or the need for an internet connection. GoFindMe uses low-power wireless technology for communication between devices, allowing them to connect within a range of up to 8 kilometers. This local network facilitates quick alerts, such as notifying members of a hiking group in case of an emergency. With a single charge, GoFindMe can run continuously for 72 hours. You can purchase this gadget for $90. In the United States, a DIY enthusiast has created a coil for carrying paracord, and it shows potential for mass production, given the frequent appearance of similar products on crowdfunding platforms. An example is the Kickstarter project called QuickCord, offering a polymer case for storing paracord with a blade, clip, and snap light. This case, along with 6 meters of paracord, is available for $20. Surprisingly, even this modest price didn't deter the creator from raising over $31,000, showcasing the demand for practical and affordable solutions in the paracord storage market.